hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
We have coffee dispensers at the back of yours that feeling sleepy. Ay, kung nagpapabilis ako ito ba? Folks, so the Christmas bonus ko, naluya naman mo. One more time, now please a bit louder with more enthusiasm. I said, are you ready to meet your first annual ambassador? Well, ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome our Hermany guy. Now, see, Jet, so Jet, make your welcoming flight boy. And ladies and gentlemen, there he is. Oh. And there's Jack. Folks, once again, that is Jack, our Hermany guy, or locally known as Davao. Now, they are birds of prey or raptors, meaning they are primarily carnivorous animals. But they can be found in coastal areas of Indonesia, Australia, India, and of course, the Philippines as well. Now, Hermany only have a wingspan of about 1 meter, so way smaller compared to our Philippine eagle, but that doesn't mean they are not fantastic hunters naman po, folks. Now, Hermany guides also practice what we call kleptoparasitism. Kleptoparasitism is when animals are highly opportunistic and will steal food from other animals. So Jack, small as maybe, will not hesitate to steal food from an even bigger predator. Now, that's all for Jack for today, folks. Let's give him a round of applause, please. There we go. Thank you so much. We are Lyka, and of course, Jack. Alright, uwi na sila. Now, let's meet our next annual ambassadors na po. And our next annual ambassadors are known as clumsy birds, but we don't know why, considering they are fantastic flyers naman, no? So please help me welcome the alarm clocks of the rainforest, the Philippine Great Hornbill, si Mr. Bell, and there he is, folks. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that is Mr. Bell, and of course, we also have JJ, Mr. Bell's younger brother. Now, ladies and gentlemen, these are our Philippine Great Hornbills, or locally known as the Kalaw. They get their names from their impressive hornbill, or tuka, which is about 30% of their bodies. And if you can zoom in with your cameras, you're gonna see that they have very long and beautiful eyelashes. So kumustahin natin audience, JJ. There we go, good boy. But before JJ and Mr. Bell show us their tricks po, ma'am, let's turn off our flash lang sa cameras po. Naka-slide? Yes, ikaw ma'am. There we go. Let's turn off the flash of our cameras. Okay, thank you so much for that. Alright, thank you. Now, ladies and gentlemen, hornbills are known to be monogamous. Monogamous meaning, once they find a partner, they will stay with them forever. Oh, exactly, no. Sana all, sa walang love life pa niya. Mas guwapo pag inabuhi ang kalaw sa tuwa. Isama ka na ito na. But, as we from how Mr. Bell and JJ finds their perfect partners, I need everyone to shout fly at the count of 3, okay? So, let's go for a try run first. Again, shout fly at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3! Okay, folks, again, we have coffee dispensers at the back if you are still feeling sleepy ka ba. Marag-Peter mo sa itong mga kalaw, no? Huwag mo nag-enjoy yung Valentine's, folks. Linaw. One more time, no, please, a bit louder with more enthusiasm po para maganapan ng mga hayop ng lupad. No, I said fly at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3! Yeah, that's what we wanted. That's what our hornbills need. Folks, so ready, Mr. Bell, JJ. Audience, ready your phones. Mabilis lang to. And again, fly at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3! And there it is, folks, the aerial acrobatics of our very own hornbills. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that is their natural behavior. Oh, out in the wild, in order for them to find their perfect partner, they will need to catch the most fruits or the most insects to impress the most females. Now, let's see it one more time. Please be excited. Kuya G. Mark, Mr. Bell, JJ. Audience, again, fly in the count of 3. 1, 2, 3! And there it is, folks. Once again, if you are witnessing this in the wild, you are very lucky as you are watching their mating ritual, or in short, nanliligaw po ang ating mga kalaw na ulit na JJ. And let's give Mr. Bell Kuya Saturday a round of applause, please. There we go. Thank you so much to the both of you. Kuya GR, JJ, dito muna kayo, okay? Now, folks, we will be witnessing their nesting behavior next na po. Now, out in the wild, whenever it's nesting season, the female will remain inside her nest for 40 days. Now, how does the female eat? Of course, by the male providing them food naman po, folks. No? So, we're gonna need one lucky female volunteer for this next part po. Sino man? Sino man? Si ma'am daw na naka-jumper. Let's come on up the arena na po and let's have you be part of our show. There we go, saka na ta. And once again, folks, we will be witnessing their nesting behavior for 40 days. The male will provide food for the female. Pero we're gonna switch up the sexes po, folks, no? So this time, ikaw ang maging male na kalaw, si JJ ang maging female na kalaw. Now what you need to do is get a drink from Kuya G. Mark. Go ka na drink from Kuya G. Mark. There we go, go kayo isa. There we go. Without the stem, there we go. Now, put it between your teeth. Ilagay sa between ng ngipin mo. Yes, put it between your teeth. There we go, ma'am. We promise you. Safe na safe po tayo. There we go. Put it between your teeth. And basically, magkukunin niya ni JJ sa bibig mo. In short, mag-iis kayo sa kalaw natin, ha? So, ma'am, ready? Tumatulog sila as their secondary means of locomotion. Now, let's meet our next animal ambassador na po. And there he is, folks. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that is Apollo, our umbrella crested cockatoo, with the scientific name of Kakatua, Alba meaning older brother in Indonesian. Now, folks, Apollo is a multi-talented artist. Ang ABS-CBN, pang-chime itong bird na to. So, let's see some of his talents today, shall we? But first, of course, let me ask the audience, who wants to see Apollo dance? Kasi gusto makita